What level of Tajweed classes should I take? Starting at a fundamental level and working your way up to more complex ones is advisable. Many Tajweed classes offer multiple levels based on your proficiency level. You can take a placement test to help you determine the appropriate level. What should I expect during a Tajweed class? Tajweed classes typically involve a combination of lectures, practice, and feedback. You will learn the rules of Tajweed, as well as the proper pronunciation and recitation of the Quran. Classes can either take place in person or remotely, and the mode of teaching can be one-on-one or in a collective manner. How long does it take to learn Tajweed? Your commitment level, proficiency, and practice time will affect how long it takes to learn Tajweed. Typically, it takes several months of regular practice to gain a basic understanding of Tajweed. Are Tajweed classes only for native Arabic speakers? No, Tajweed classes are designed for anyone who wishes to learn Tajweed, regardless of their native language. Many Tajweed classes are taught in English or other languages besides Arabic.